Morning, students. Next, we have to show that V, imaginary part, e raised to x into x cos y minus y sin y is harmonic. For that, we have to show that Vxx plus Vyy equal to 0. Vxx plus Vyy equal to 0. Here, V equal to e raised to x into x cos y minus y sin y. This can be taken as e raised to x into x cos y minus e raised to x into y sin y. That is V. Then take Vx. This is equation 1. Partially differentiating this equation with respect to x. Then we get here when we differentiating e raised to x into x cos y treat as constant. Then e raised to x into x, we apply the product rule. Therefore, e raised to x into 1 plus x into e raised to x. Here, e raised to x into x cos y taken outside, or cos y into e raised to x into x. Apply the product rule for differentiation. E raised to x into 1 plus x into e raised to x minus. Here, y sin y is constant. Y sin y into e raised to x. Then again we differentiate it with respect to x. Vxx. That is cos y constant. E raised to x itself plus x into e raised to x. Again we apply the product rule of x into e raised to x plus e raised to x into 1 minus y sin y into e raised to x. That is, when we remove the bracket, e raised to x into cos y plus cos y into x into e raised to x plus cos y into e raised to x minus y sin y e raised to x. This is known as Vxx. This is Vxx. Vxx is equal to e raised to x into cos y plus cos y into x into e raised to x plus cos y into e raised to x minus y sin y into e raised to x. Similarly, we can differentiate with respect to y. Therefore, v equal to e raised to x into cos e raised to x. Differentiate with respect to y, vy, that is e raised to x into x constant. For cos y, that is equal to minus sin y. Minus. In the second case, e raised to x is constant. Y sin y, apply the product rule. Y into cos y plus sin y into 1. Therefore, minus e raised to x into x sin y minus y into e raised to x cos y minus e raised to x into sin. This is known as Vy. Again, we differentiate with respect to y. Then Vy, the first case, minus e raised to x into x constant, sin y, cos y. Then here e raised to x is constant. Y cos y, y into minus sin y plus cos y into 1 minus e raised to x into sin y, cos y. That is, removing the bracket, we get minus e raised to x into x cos y, then plus e raised to x into y sin y minus e raised to x into cos y minus e raised to x into cos y. This is known as Vyy. Then adding Vyy and Vxx, we have to the answer will be 0. Here Vxx and Vyy. We can remove all other. No, please take it. When we are adding these two terms, here e raised to x cos y. Here e raised to x cos y, e raised to x cos y cancel. Then cos y into x into e raised to x. Cos y into e raised plus this cancel, this cancel. Then e raised to x into cos y plus e raised to x into cos y cancel. Then y sin y e raised to x, y sin y e raised to x cancel. Therefore, vxx plus vyy equal to 0. Therefore, v is harmonic. V is harmonic. Okay. This we can do another problem. Another problem says that find the constant a and b so that the given function is harmonic. U is equal to e raised to pi x cos ay. U equal to e raised to pi x cos ay. Here we have to find out the value, constant value a. Here we have to find out the value a. The condition is given, the u is harmonic. Since u is harmonic, uxx plus uyy is equal to 0. Uxx plus uyy equal to 0. Based on this result, we can find the value of constant a. Therefore, find ux. Ux is equal to e raised to pi x into pi cos ay. When we partially differentiating 1 with respect to x, ux is equal to e raised to pi x into cos ay. Similarly, uxx, e raised to pi x into pi, or pi square e raised to pi x cos ay. That is uxx, pi square e raised to pi x into cos ay. Similarly, uy e raised to pi x into minus sin ay into a. When we are partially differentiating 1 with respect to y, e raised to pi x into cos ay minus sin ay into a. Uyy, that is equal to e raised to pi x into a square minus sin ay minus cos ay. That is uxx uyy. Given uxx plus uyy equal to 0, therefore pi square e raised to pi x cos ay minus a square e raised to pi x cos ay is equal to 0. Applying the condition uxx plus uyy equal to 0, therefore pi square e raised to pi x cos ay minus a square e raised to pi x cos ay is equal to 0. Then taken e raised to pi x cos ay outside. Therefore, pi square minus a square. Pi square minus a square is equal to 0. Here a into b equal to 0. A into b equal to 0. Either a equal to 0 or b equal to 0. When we take pi square minus a square is equal to 0. When we take pi square minus a square is equal to 0, that implies pi square is equal to a square. Therefore, the value of a is equal to plus or minus pi. The value of a is equal to plus or minus b. About in this problem, given u is harmonic, since u is harmonic, we can apply the condition uxx plus uyy equal to 0. Based on that condition, we can arrive at the value a equal to plus or minus pi. Plus or minus pi. Then we can do another problem. U is equal to ax cube plus bxy. Ax cube plus bxy. Here given that u is harmonic. Since u is harmonic, uxx plus uyy is equal to 0. Uxx plus uyy equal to 0. This is equation 1. Partially differentiating with respect to x. Therefore, ax cube, a into 3x square plus by. Then uxx is equal to 3a into 2x. 6ax. Similarly, uy is equal to bx. Then uyy is equal to uyy is equal to 0. With respect to y, bx is constant, therefore uyy is equal to 0. Therefore, uxx plus uyy equal to 0 given the condition. Therefore, ux is equal to 6ax is equal to 6ax plus 0 is equal to 0. That implies 6a is equal to 0. 6a is equal to, that implies a equal to 0. The value of a is equal to 0. Therefore, in this problem, the constant value a is equal to 0. Since u is harmonic, uxx plus uyy equal to 0. Substituting the value of uxx and uyy, then 6ax plus 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, 6a is equal to 0. Therefore, a equal to 0. The value of a is equal to